gentleman from California.
Mr. Speaker, I yield myself 1 minute to engage in a colloquy with my friend from Louisiana, Mr. Landry.
The gentleman is recognized for 1 minute.
The NDAA conference report, Mr. Landry.
Yeah. Mr. Speaker, I rise today in order to fulfill my constitutional duty of protecting the liberty and freedom that the men and women who this bill authorizes to fight for are protected, and that the protection is bestowed on U.S. citizens are the ones that I am concerned the most. The question that upon us is whether or not the NDAA impacts the right of a U.S. citizen to receive due process to challenge the legality of detention by the executive before an Article III court.
This conference report does no such thing. It no way affects the rights of U.S. citizens.
My concern is that when the writ is suspended, the government is entirely free of judicial oversight. So we agree that no section of the NDAA purports to suspend the writ of habeas corpus.
I agree completely.
And do you agree that the Supreme Court has held that, quote, that during a state of war is not a blank check for the president when it comes to the rights of our citizens?
I do.
Will you assure me that you will work with...
Additional 15 seconds.
Additional 15 seconds, gentlemen.
Will you assure me that together we can work with the committee to further clarify the language contained in this bill in order to ensure that clear and precise language which protects American citizens' constitutional rights are protected?
I do, and I'll be happy to work with you to that end.
Thank you, Mr. Chairman.
Gentleman's time has expired.